Hello, it's warm welcome to you. I am Nikes, and in this video we have to write a Python program to count each vowels in a sentence. So I have already written a sentence. If there is a vowels present in our sentence which is already present here, you can see E, A and E. These are O. These are our vowels. So we have to count the appearance of each character. Means if vowels of each character. Okay. So now I need to create a variable to store the value of a vowels. Okay, so let's see. So it is my variable name, and now I am providing its value, which is A, E, I, O, U, which is vowels. And here you can see there is another problem. Some alphabet are in uppercase. T, D, A and T, these are in uppercase. So I need to convert them to lowercase because Python is a case sensitive language. So how we can do, let's see. I'm taking the same variable name and it is a string. If I called a method called Casefold, okay, this method convert a uppercase string into a lowercase. Okay, let's see. Now our string are in a lowercase. So now I have to create a dictionary with the value of its key are vowels and its starting value will be 0. So let's see how we can create. So D is the variable I am taking, and this is how we can create an empty dictionary. And I call another method. It is actually from keys. This method required two parameters. First is keys. So in my case I am giving vowels. Okay, and we know dictionary are the key and value pair, so we have to provide its value. I am giving 0 for each vowels. Okay, so if I call our dictionary, now you can see A, E, I, O, U, these are our keys and its value are 0 for each. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to increase the value of a vowels which is present in our sentence. So to do this I have to run a loop. So let's see. For char in text means if I am extracting each character, and now I have to compare whether it is present in our dictionary or not. Okay, so my condition is if char in D means if its key are present in dictionary, then I have to increment the value of each vowels. So to increment the value I have to call a D and giving same character, and if it is present then I have to increase it's with 1. So now if I call my dictionary D, now you can see A appearing 2 times here, A and here. So that is why the value of a vowels A is 2. E also appearing 2 times. The first is in D and second in after. That's why the value of E is also 2. Here you can see I is not present in this sentence, so this vowels value remains 0. So this is how this code is running. So thank you for watching this video.